Scene script. Have you ever thought about creating your own website? The idea can be exhilarating, but it can also seem daunting without a clear roadmap. So today, we'll delve into the key steps to guide you through the process, offering options and details at each stage. First off, planning and setting goals. It's crucial to define the purpose of your website, whether you're showcasing your work, selling products, or generating leads. Equally important is identifying your target audience and setting specific, measurable outcomes. Next, it's time to build your foundation. Choosing a platform is key here. WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, each offers different features and varying degrees of ease of use. You'll also need to secure a domain name that's memorable and reflects your brand, and find a reliable web hosting provider with good server speeds and support. The third step involves designing your site's layout. Develop a sitemap to plan your website's structure and navigation flow. Choose a theme or design template that's visually appealing, responsive, and aligns with your brand. And don't forget to optimize for readability and mobile friendliness. Content is king, they say, and it's no different here. Your homepage should make a compelling first impression with a clear value proposition and call to action. An About Us or Me page is your chance to introduce yourself and showcase your expertise. Clearly explain your offerings on your services or products page and make it easy for visitors to reach you through a visible contact form or map on your contact page. Regularly publish engaging content on your blog or news page to improve SEO and engage your audience. Finally, it's time for optimization and launch. Use relevant keywords and optimize your website's title tags, meta descriptions, and image alt text to improve SEO. Integrate analytics to track website traffic and user behavior. Test and refine your site based on data and user feedback. Then, launch and promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other channels. And here are some bonus tips. Invest in professional photography or visuals to enhance your website. Use strong calls to action to guide visitors. Make sure your website is accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities, and always maintain your site's security by regularly updating your software and plugins. Remember, creating a successful website is an ongoing process, so use this roadmap as a guiding framework. Adapt it to your needs and be patient as you refine your site and achieve your online goals. And always feel free to reach out if you have any specific questions or need further guidance. Here's to building a website that truly takes your online presence to the next level.